Welcome to Upgrade. I'm your host, Frank the Tank, and today we're going to bring a solar motion sensor lights, LED lights. It's made by Biling. We're going to open it up, and it comes a pack of 4, but you go optional for pack of 2. But today we're going to get the pack of 4, and these are great for outdoors. They're waterproof, and they have a sensor. It tells when it's dark, so it turns on by itself too, and it starts working in the nighttime. So let's go ahead and see what you get when you purchase one like this. Also, just to let you know, these things are really tough. They plenty of lighting, and I'm gonna tell you how they work and show you how they work and demo it too, also at night. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what you get when you purchase them. Get a little nice box, tiny little box. They give you the screws up front right here. You know, these are drywall screws and the screws by themselves too. So each one, they're gonna give you 4 packs of these, so you go screw them on. So the solar lights, they're back to back. They're very flat, very simple. Nice little lights, if you guys can see them. Plenty of LED lights. There's no on and off switch in here. It's pretty much, it's gonna pick up the solar. 2 screws on the top, 2 screws mounts on the top, if you guys can see it here and here. Power button here in the front. It is freaking good, man. It's flat on the top, so you could get plenty of solar on here. The sensors are right in front of it. There's an on and off button here and here. You hold it down, you could click on it. Then it starts working. We're gonna put this to charge and see how well it works. But I like it. It's flat. No, it's waterproof seal in here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 screws you have to remove in case you have to replace the battery down the line. These are chargeable lithium batteries in here. And of course, you know, this thing is rugged. It's pretty protected under there. All the LEDs are exposed, so you can see them. They're not exposed to the actual elements. They're protected by a plastic, thick plastic in here. But they'll light up the whole place. And of course, like, it has even LED lights on the side corners, if you can see this, and on different angles. It won't miss anything. And of course, the sensor's right here, so it detects motion, any kind of person passing through. This is a perfect lighting for those dark places that you're walking at night, or you want to put it over your headlights, over your house. But make sure that it's chargeable, because there's going to have to be some sunlight hitting this thing, or it won't be charging. The more charge you get, the brighter it gets, and it works all night, of course, you know. So nice little thing, nice little feature here. We're going to try to put it to use today and see what you guys think about it. But off the box, I'm impressed because the protection is pretty neat in here. We're going to put it to the elements, waterproof. It says waterproof, and it has a sensor, like I said. It could tell day or night, so I'm going to put it to use. They give you the instructions in the box itself, so if you have any questions, and it tells you right here, it has 266 LEDs. This is incredible. It's super filled with LEDs in here, you know. Solar battery charging system, easy to install, motion sensor, 3 modes. It has human body, and there's instructions here how to set it up with human body. Mode number 2, human body interacted, on slight light mode. And then mode number 3, slight light mode. It tells you how to remove all this stuff and how to turn it off and on. Using the method, you got to push it on for 5 seconds, 2 to 5 seconds. So 1, 2, let it go. And then we're going to do this from 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, let it go. It has 2,500 lumens each. All right, so the only way it's gonna work, we're gonna cover this one, and we're gonna put it to a test with a cardboard. We're gonna put it against it and see how light. Look at all the LED lights right now. It's not dark enough right now to get this going right now. But if you can see it, let me put it a little bit closer. I'm covering the whole entire solar panel in the back, and I got it to work. But it took me quite a while because it was very sensitive. It has to be completely dark so I could get that going. But we're gonna put in a little darkness here. If you can see it, the sensor just turned off right now. I'm gonna pass my motion here, and again it turns back on. Great feature I like about this. I mean, it has a lot of LED lights. I mean, it's the most I've seen in one of these units before. So these solar sensors are really awesome little unique things, and they're all bright white. They're not that yellow dome or anything like that. They're kind of like a daylight brightness. But so far, there's different modes you have to set up here by holding down the button. Right now it's into a long session, if you can see it. But as soon as I not transfer anything over, it will turn itself off. You pass over the little dome or some human sensor just pass, any kind of motion passes through, this thing lights up right now. So we're gonna put this into the test outside and see what you guys think about it. These bright lights, I put them right in my entrance, so when people pass by, it turns on and it lights up the whole area. Incredible. Watch, we're gonna pass by in front of it just to see how bright it is. And it's a little dark out there already. It's pretty dark. So anything, I'm getting like, I'm about, right now closely, I'm about 5 feet. So let me get closer. And that's where they turn on. It's around almost 4.5 feet. That's when they actually turn on. And when I walk away again, really bright, like it. It's illuminating the whole area here. So when I get closer again and try the test again, 1 light, 2 lights off. So what you guys got to do, I'm walking, it starts turning on in 5 feet, like right here. That's where it starts turning on. So anybody walking in here in the gates, that thing's gonna be bright. The camera's gonna see. That's it. All right, look how bright it is, guys. Look at this. This is how bright it is. And this is without it. This is with it. Without it. With it. Look how I'm holding the light. I'm actually holding the light so you guys can see how bright it is. So it can give you an understanding of how bright this thing is. So without it, with it. Look at that. 266 LEDs on this. This is incredible, dude. Look at that. All right. That's it.